Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to do our assignments from the capital letters book, My Picture Dictionary and learn a rhyme from Geetmala, a Hindi rhyme. Are you all ready? Turn to page 2 in Hindi rhyme. The rhyme's name is Pranam. Pranam means namaste, wishing, okay, saluting to the elders. रोज सवेरे उठकर बच्चों. What do you mean by रोज सवेरे? रोज सवेरे is everyday morning. उठकर बच्चों, that means getting up early in the morning, children, okay. बड़े जनों को करो प्रणाम, that means do namaste to the older people at your house, like grandparents, father, mother. You need to do namaste to them. लेकर आशीर्वाद सभी का, take blessings from them. शुरू करो तुम अपने काम. शुरू करो, that means start your daily work, okay. Every day you need to take blessings from elders and then you have to do your daily work, whatever you need to do. Understood children? Let's repeat. रोज सवेरे उठकर बच्चों, आर यू रिपीटिंग आफ्टर मी? बड़े जनों को करो प्रणाम. लेकर आशीर्वाद सभी का, शुरू करो तुम अपने काम. नाउ शैल वी सिंग दिस? रोज सवेरे उठकर बच्चों, रोज सवेरे उठकर बच्चों, बड़े जनों को करो प्रणाम. रोज सवेरे उठकर बच्चों, बड़े जनों को करो प्रणाम. लेकर आशीर्वाद सभी का, लेकर आशीर्वाद सभी का, शुरू करो तुम अपने काम. लेकर आशीर्वाद सभी का, शुरू करो तुम अपने काम. Okay children, will you practice this rhyme? Now take out your capital letters book and go to page 24. Okay, and see here we are going to join the dots and follow the directions of the arrows and color this picture. Okay, can you guess what picture would this be after you trace all these dotted lines? Shall we start? See, this picture has all the strokes that you have learnt. Slipping line, straight line, and then what else you have? You have the curves like this. Like this. It's going to be a beautiful castle when you finish drawing this. Okay children, make sure you follow the dotted lines. See the red arrows, follow the same direction. Do it slowly, okay? There's no hurry. And there's also a beautiful tree here. Can you guess which fruit is this? Does it look like apple or orange or cherry? Okay, think, and then you will color the fruit in that color. Okay children, after you trace this, there's a small story. I'm going to read it out to you. There was a giant who lived in a very big house. The house had a beautiful garden with many fruit trees in it. But the giant did not allow children to play in the garden. The trees of the garden became dry and stopped bearing fruits. One day, the giant saw a small child crying at a corner of the garden. He picked him up and the child started smiling. The giant was so pleased that he opened the gates of his garden for all the children. Soon the garden started blooming again. What do you mean by blooming? That means all the flowers and fruits started coming on the trees and the garden became colorful as before. Now, once you finish tracing this picture, go to the next page and practice this stroke. Again, join the dots in the given direction. You need to do it slowly. Okay. Once you finish this line, you'll go to the next line and then complete the whole page. Okay children, now let's move to the next assignment. Okay children, in my picture dictionary, you'll turn to page 5 and we see many animals here. Okay, in one page we have all the domestic animals. Do you know what domestic animal means? Domestic animals are those animals which can be tamed and taken care by human beings, like people like us. We can keep these domestic animals at home or in a farm. Okay, and they are of many uses to us. See, dog, it safeguards a house. Cow gives us milk. Camel helps people to travel in a desert. And what does horse do? Yes, have you seen the horse tongas near the Mysore Palace? They tie a cart and you all go on a tonga ride, right? Yes, buffalo also gives us milk. So shall we learn the names of these animals? Dog, cow, camel, horse, buffalo. Repeat after me. Dog, cow, camel, horse, buffalo. Okay. Apart from this, there are many other domestic animals like sheep and then donkey, pigs. They are also called as domestic animals. Now let's move to the next page. Here we have the wild animals. Which are the wild animals? Those animals that live in the forest. Okay. These animals are dangerous to people around. Okay, so they live in the forest and we live away from them. They are also kept in the zoo. You can also go and see them once in a while. Okay. Let's learn the names of the animals. Elephant, tiger, fox, deer, lion. Elephant, tiger, fox, deer, lion. These are few of the wild animals. Okay children, thank you. Bye-bye.